In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an EA to MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an Expert Advisor file into the right folder, refresh your platform, and get it running on your chart with the correct settings. First, make sure you have the correct file. MetaTrader 5 uses .x5 files for Expert Advisors, which are the compiled versions ready to run. If what you have is an .mq5 source file, open it in Meta Editor and compile it to generate the .ex5 file. That's the one you'll use in MT5. Now open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. At the top, click File, then open Data folder. This opens the location where MT5 stores your custom tools, including EAs, indicators, and templates. It's the safest way to get to the exact directory MT5 reads from, so you don't have to guess or browse manually. Inside the Data folder, go into MQL5, then Experts. Paste your X5EA file into this Experts folder. Placing it here is what tells MetaTrader where to find your EA so it can appear in the platform's navigator panel. Switch back to MT5 and make the platform recognize your new file. Open the navigator panel by pressing Ctrl+N. In the navigator, find Expert Advisors, right-click it, and choose Refresh. If you prefer, closing and reopening MT5 does the same thing. After refreshing, you should see your EA listed under Expert Advisors in the navigator. Next, attach the EA to a chart. Open the chart for the instrument you want to run it on, for example, EURUSD, and make sure you select the time frame you intend to trade. In the navigator, expand Expert Advisors, then drag and drop your EA onto the chart, or simply double-click the EA and select the chart you're targeting. When the Settings window appears, take a moment to configure it properly. On the Common tab, check Allow Automated Trading so the EA is permitted to place trades. Only enable Allow DLL imports if the EA specifically requires it. Then move to the Inputs tab and review parameters such as lot size, stop loss, take profit, risk percentage, or any strategy-specific settings. Adjust these to match your plan and the account size you're using, then click OK. Finally, enable algorithmic trading in MT5. On the top toolbar, click the Auto Trading button so it turns green. If everything is set correctly, you'll see a smiley face icon in the corner of your chart, indicating the EA is active and ready to operate. If you don't see it, double-check auto trading and the EA's permissions in the Common tab.